Hello, nice to meet you. I'm Jason.
Ah, Jason. Nice to meet you. I'm Vivian.
How are you today?
I'm doing great, babe. How about you?
Hi, baby.
Jason, you're back. I missed hearing your voice. Hey, how was your day?
It was okay, but I've missed you all day.
I miss you too, dear, aren't you?
You keep running in my mind the whole day.
Then I must be doing something right. So, what exactly am I doing in your mind all day?
Smiling, looking at me like that.
Like what?
I prefer showing instead of telling. Do you want to make me out?
I've been thinking about it. About you. About what would happen if we stopped talking and got closer. I think you'd lose control for a second, and I'd like that.
I'm so happy tonight, and good night, Vivian.
Sweet dreams, Jason. I want you to go to sleep still thinking about me.